how to get Uber Eats discount code. Hey everybody, if you guys are wondering how to do so in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So first of all, you can just head over and check the Uber Eats application. You can sign up for the newsletter and utilize the referral code. So in the Uber Eats application, check the promotion section within the app. For that, you can, if you find the promotion option here, you can look out for that option, or you can basically check out. For that, tap on the cart option in the top right corner, tap on it, and once you tap on it, just go over to checkout, look out for view basket option, and head over to checkout. Go to checkout, and then when you're checking out, you should be finding a section called promotions. You can look out for personalized offers or promotions in your account. So you can select promotions, and there you'll be finding your available promotions within your account. You can look out for the promotions that you prefer, and uh, some restaurants even may offer promotions directly within the application. You may just go and look out for that. After that, apply it up, and once you've selected up, tap on next and go ahead and check out. That is one of the way you can use the Uber Eats discount code. Otherwise, you can sign up for the newsletters. You may just go over and look out for newsletter sections within your account. And once you do so, you can even turn on app notifications to get real time updates on special offers that will be going on. Apart from that, you can also even turn on app notifications. I mean, you can share it, share your code, share, refer it to your friends to Uber Eats using a unique referral code available. You can just go and look out for that code within your account, and that's it. That is how you basically get Uber Eats discount codes on your Uber Eats. Otherwise, you can also find different websites offering codes for Uber Eats. You may just go and look out for those codes, and you can head over, go to account, and look out for promotions or any section where you can enter up the code, and you can just go in and enter it up. And once you enter it up, you should be applying the discount codes to your Uber Eats, and that's it. So that is it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.